Welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how we can show negative number in bracket in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Excel and I have prepared my data, and I'm going to show the negative numbers right here. First of all, I'm going to select the data like this, and then I'm going to go to the number format. We can go to this menu, go to the number, and then we're going to select the number on the category, and you can choose the negative numbers right here, guys. I'm going to choose the negative number with this red color, and I'm going to add those negative numbers to my data. I'm going to click on OK, and as you can see, guys, that the negative numbers have been shown by this red color. Okay, guys, and that's all the way to show negative numbers in bracket in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.